Fellow travelers, the 28th of February 2024. Today, we're taking a trip to an incredible destination just 10 minutes north of Port Macquarie on the mid-north coast of NSW. You won't want to miss our visit to Ricardoes Tomatoes and Strawberries, a state-of-the-art greenhouse marvel. Let's dive in and explore the technological wonders and eco-friendly practices that make this place truly unique. As we arrive at Ricardoes Tomatoes and Strawberries, we're immediately struck by the vast greenhouses that house 2 acres of hydroponically grown tomatoes and strawberries. The cutting-edge computerized technology here regulates every aspect of the growing process, from irrigation and nutrient application to humidity, temperature, and even pest control. It's amazing to witness how modern innovation is being used to cultivate high-quality, environmentally friendly produce.
നമ്മൾ പോകുന്നത് 1 ൽ 2 ൽ കയറാം.
Stepping inside the greenhouses, we're surrounded by rows of vibrant strawberry plants thriving under the careful supervision of this sophisticated system. The attention to detail and emphasis on sustainability is truly impressive. Ricardoes Tomatoes and Strawberries takes great pride in their commitment to environmentally friendly farming practices, and it's evident in every aspect of their operation. We had the opportunity to chat with the knowledgeable staff at Ricardoes Tomatoes and Strawberries, and their passion for sustainable farming and their dedication to producing top-notch produce was inspiring. They shared with us their innovative approach to maintaining the highest quality while minimizing environmental impact, and it's clear that sustainability is at the heart of everything they do.
ഫോട്ടോ എടുക്കുന്നത് ഊക്കിയെടുക്കുവാടി ആ
Before we wrap up our visit, let's take a moment to appreciate the delicious fruits of Ricardo's labor. The strawberries here are not only beautifully grown but also incredibly flavorful. It's rewarding to know that by supporting this environmentally conscious farm, we're not only enjoying exceptional produce but also contributing to a more sustainable future. As we conclude our visit to Ricardoes Tomatoes and Strawberries, we're leaving with a newfound appreciation for the intersection of technology, sustainability, and agriculture. It's been an enlightening and delightful experience, and we hope you've enjoyed this virtual journey with us. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more travel adventures, and let us know in the comments if you've visited any eco-friendly farms like Ricardo's. Until next time, happy travels!